Cykaniki here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here at the series of activities started from October 24 until October 30, and I was able to hear from the BJMP Region 7. These are the products that they're showcasing. They're helping inmates, especially their crafts. A lot of artists and maraming crafts dito. Meron din mga paintings. As you can see how skilled they are, and this is part of their program na parang rehabilitation to help them if ever lalabas na sila. They can also make a living. So let's support them, guys. Ang dami super paintings. Tingnan nyo, super ganda nito. So I hope that you're going to support them as well and spread love, not hate. So I'm going to tour you around and let's listen to their head and supervisors.
Congratulations. As we raise awareness about the celebration, I think this is the most fitting way to do that in a mall such as this, because of the traffic and all, so the people would know that we have such a thing as correctional consciousness as we nakakabulon. So pwedeng i-replicate, sabi ko nga kayo na kay Superintendent Insyo, pwedeng i-replicate ng DILG and reform them to become law-abiding and productive citizens. The BJMP has undertaken since then, as you mentioned a while ago, since the passage of RA 8551, variety of rehabilitation programs which include, I'm so familiar with that kasi marami lang ako nabibiling products ng PDL, livelihood products, educational and vocational training, so congratulations to you, to keep our inmates or PDL busy and provide them with income even while inside the jail, for their personal needs and for their families especially as well. Those livelihood programs are indeed critical in the transformation of our PDL prior to their reintegration to the community. Those programs, as we called it, sinabi nyo nga, holistic approach. It's a holistic approach for the PDL's welfare and development. Holistic meaning we are preparing our offenders for a crime-free and successful life. Today, your family will showcase the creative and artistic skills of your RPDL through sa ground floor may product display kayo and art exhibit, and I'm so proud na maging part ng opening kanina. So as we celebrate the National Corrections Consciousness Week from October 23 to 30 to raise awareness, not just by doing this display, but dito sa program nyo, meron kayong forum, fan games, and then you even have bloodletting activity. And let's send a strong message that there's still hope for our PDL, a chance for them to start a new beginning to lead a responsible, law-abiding, and productive life.
As a gesture of immense gratitude and gratefulness, BJMP Region 7 would like to award a certificate of recognition and give a token of appreciation to our guest of honor and speaker. May we request Jail Superintendent Rosalina P. Malahay on Day of October 2022 at Pacific Mall, Mandaue City, Cebu. Signed, Jail Chief Superintendent Efren A. Emmanuel, Robella, Cesar Free. Thank you so much. We would like to also present a token to our media partners. So we'll just take this opportunity since Director Trovella is with us. May I request Director Trovella together with Ma'am Malahay to give the token to our media partners present. So may I request on stage Ma'am Minerva Newman. Please accept this catalog courtesy of the livelihood program of the regional BJMP Regional Office 7. Thank you so much, Ma'am Minerva Newman, for being with us today. And also to Ma'am Michelle Raico. Please join us on stage, ma'am. A round of applause for Miss Michelle Raico. Thank you so much.
What a beautiful morning to the family of the BJMP in Region 7. Can we give a clap for ourselves? It is very stimulating, and I'm so happy that our very humble, kind, sir, nandiyan sa ilan. Thank you so much, our RD of the AG7, Sir Rubina, sir, for gracing this activity today as we kick off our Nakoko 22nd Nakoko 2022. And of course, we cannot forget our partner, the very supportive partners from our Mall from Pacific Mall, Ma'am Donna, ma'am. The beautiful Ma'am Donna. I can see in your eyes, ma'am, how kind are you. So, you had supported BJMP 7. Thank you so much. And the beautiful ladies, Ma'am Minerva, ma'am, and the very young companion of yours, thank you so much for coming over. Yeah. And we cannot forget, before I mention the division heads of Regional Office 7, our unit IWD officers who have made themselves come despite my bagyo, coming from the provinces of Negros, Bohol, Siquijor, and Cebu province. Thank you so much, mga anak, for coming over. And making this activity very successful. Persons behind our board, Father Catarata, our Chief CRS, and in this 22nd anniversary of Nakoko, or Consciousness Week of what have we done? Did we already transform our PDL? Did we already help them grow while they were in our custody? Or are we able to transform our jails into a haven of hope, a home for reformation, and a family of love? Yes! What will you say? Of course, we are! We did it! Anyways, it is our 22nd Nakoko week already. But we will not hold on that. We will continue to force our initiatives, of course, to work for more greatness, for our public, for the public interest, for our government service, to the community, and most especially to our persons deprived of liberty. So I am enticing everyone, meron tayo mga civilian dito, to help us, the BJMP, to grow more so that as we continue to serve our clienteles in our custody, you are a big help. Sir and ma'am, please be aware that our PDL are now professionalized because they are now educated, even na sila sa sunod, they have skills training. And we have our teachers, jail officer teachers, who teach them how to become a reformed individual and a good citizen in the community as they serve after the cases that we had into. Thank you so much, everyone. And in behalf of our Regional Director of the Jail Bureau, Jail Chief Superintendent, Efren Inimenyu, I am so grateful for our very humble Regional Director of the ALG, Sir Tupina, sir, for coming up. Mabuhay tayo, and God bless us all.
Thank you so much. That was Jail Superintendent Rosalina P. Malahay, the Regional Chief of the Editorial Staff. Pacific Mall, Mandaue. Yesterday, we had our kick-off activities. We had a simultaneous hanging of tarpaulins. Jail units also conducted motorcade, and a holy mass was conducted by Father Catarata yesterday. Today, we will have our opening ceremony. We will also have a dialogue with our media partners later on. And we will have our Nakoko acoustic band at the ground floor sa ato ang product display and exhibit. Tomorrow, we will have our Nakoko Forum 2022 at the University of Cebu Manila campus. And then October 26, we will have our Nakoko tree planting activity at Barangay Taptap, Cebu City. October 27, we will have our Nakoko bloodletting, second floor of this mall. Dito na ito himo ng ato ang bloodletting activity. Magpadaya ng ato ang Nakoko acoustic band sa ground floor. And we will have the simultaneous conduct of medical mission to all jail units region-wide in partnership with VOH and their rural health units. October 28 is going to be our simultaneous Nakoko 2022 culmination day. So for the region-wide, it will happen here at Pacific Mall, Mandaue. We will have our MOA signing with various stakeholders. And then we will have our service provider recognition day. All service providers linked to BJMP Region 7 will be provided or will be awarded during that day. We will also have our jail service recognition day 2022. And later in the afternoon on October 28, we will have our invitational live band with other uniformed personnel like BFP and PNP. So that will be at the ground floor of this mall.